Hey there, how you guys doing tonight? We're here with Ricky Veneno making some noise. Tell me, man, what's your bit about?
Well, this is actually the new Villa Latina. It's Nights of Villa Latina. It's at the restaurant La Villa Vasquez, like you see, guys. We're doing the grand opening tonight with all the Rumba Rebels, you know, supporting this new event. Of course, every Saturday night we invite you to enjoy it, to Rumba, like we said. You know, come and have fun.
Every Saturday with the Rumba Rebels. Today is the grand opening. You know, we're supporting this guy here in LA. You guys gotta come and check it out. That place is hot to spot right now. This is the hot spot. Every Saturday, you should come and check it out. You know, support this guy. He's amazing, great promoter. You know, we have a lot of future that is gonna start every single Saturday. We wait for you. Don't miss out.
I just gotta say something else. That, you know, this place has been here for 6 months only, so it's the newest place. So, I mean, like, let's do it. This is you know, like a place for salseros. Everybody is asking for a new place. Let's support this place, guys. Come on, let's do it.
That's right, The Hot Spot promoted.
That's right, The Hot Spot is here. Check us out. We love you.
You're in the mix with DJ Control.
Latina grand opening of Villa Vasquez, helping, getting people smiles. Things are happening right now. We got here Ricky Veneno again, making some noise in the microphone. This place has a lot of fun, guys. Have you seen it? You gotta come and check it out. Every Saturday, The Hot Spot is here helping them. They're helping us, uniting things happening.
Every night, people, come on. Let's support this venue. We have all these people right here. There's gonna be every Saturday. Plus, we have a salsa room, so you guys gotta come. You guys gotta support and have fun, like always. We say Rumba Rebels, Coleguitas, H Machete, Oxner. Thank you, everybody, for coming tonight. Let's have fun. Thank you, Papa.
Yeah, Bobby, we are having fun. Thank you for the invite, man. That's amazing.
Something really quick. I want to borrow this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, bueno. Gracias por venir. Thank you, everybody. Let's do it every Saturday night at Villa Latina, at Villa Vasquez. Vernon, guys, nobody believes in Vernon, but look at this. Thank you.
So next Saturday, what's the place to be?
Villa Latina a la Villa Vasquez, la ciudad de Vernon, city of Vernon, Leones and Soto. This is it.
La Villa Vasquez, right here. We here, The Hot Spot, helping, supporting.
Veneno,
Ricky the Veneno.
Control, Chang Entertainment, Rumba Rebels Entertainment, and these guys.
The Hot Spot, baby! Hey, DJ Ray Kua is here in the house as well tonight.
Ciao.
come on. That's right, we're making some noise here tonight.